Hi, I'm going to teach you today how to do HDR in Lightroom. This is a fun thing to learn because, well, who doesn't like HDR? And it's really nice to be able to do it just with one picture. First, you can edit your photo however you like. So you can change the exposure, the contrast, you can bump up the vibrance to really give it a lot of color. After you do that, you need to bring the highlights all the way down and bring the shadows all the way up. This will help start the contrasting look. After that, you need to bring the whites up to about 36 and the blacks to about -36. This is just a starting point. You can bring it up and down as you please. After that, you need to bring up clarity all the way because this will help start adding the texture and the intense contrast needed. After you're done with that, you need to sharpen the photo. And when you sharpen the photo, go ahead and bring it up to somewhere in between 90 and 100. I put the radius about 1.3, and then with the detail, you put it somewhere between 60 and 70 normal, but again, it's totally up to you and what you want to do. When you're done with that, what you're going to do is click on the adjustment brush, and when you first click on it, when you select any of it, it's exposure, but I find that really nice because then you can really tell exactly where you've gotten in a photo already. Now we're going to use the adjustment brush to bump up the clarity even more. So first you have to select all that you want on the photo to bump up more, and then you need to bring down the exposure because we don't need that, and then you bump up your clarity all the way again, and that really helps give it the right look. And then you need to straighten your photo because, as we all know, architecture is really hard to get a good straight photo, and it's a lot easier to straighten it in photo editing software than making sure it's straight in the actual picture in the first place. When you're done with that, it's done. You can adjust anything else that's necessary, but you've got to the point where you have a good HDR photo. And so here's the before. And then here is the after of this photo.